Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. Welcome to the Crack SQL Interview in 50 question series. In this video series, we will practice 50 SQL questions across various topics. You can use the playlist Crack SQL Interview in 50 questions to follow the videos related to this series. For each video in this series, you can find the accompanying code on my GitHub. Feel free to explore the code and provide any feedback in the comment section below. The link for the GitHub will be in the video's description section. Now let's dive into the third video of the series. In the video, we are going to continue with the topic related to the select statement. Let's see the data set and we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given a table world and asked to find the name, population and area of a big country. Let's create the table and see what is the criteria to be a big country. There are two conditions they said. First one is the area should be at least 3 million square feet or the population of at least 25 million. So the result has to be like here. If you see Afghanistan, if you see the area, it's 652k, but they are asking to have the area of 3 million. Let's copy the condition here. So the first condition is area must be at least 3 million. So if we see this, none of the countries have the area of 3 million. This one is 2.3 million and this one is close to 1.3 or 1.2. So none of these countries have the population one. And the second condition is population of at least 25 million. So if we see here, so this is a GDP, okay. So this one crosses 25 million and Algeria crosses 25 million. So others are less than 25 million. So the expected outputs are Afghanistan and Algeria. So here 2 points to be noted. First one is the area must be at least 3 million. Population of at least 25 million. So the at least is the first condition. The second one is the area or the population condition. Right? So let's see how these two keywords get converted when you are writing the SQL part. So we have the table world select from world where the area is the first condition. Area is at least converts to greater than or equal to, right? 3 million. And second one is population. Is it and or or? Right? They clearly said or. Or population is at least, so greater than or equal to 25 million. So what are the columns they asked? They asked the name, population and area. Name, population, area, and you get the expected result, right? So in our first video, we talked about the where condition, right? When you have select and you have a where condition. The second video, we talked about how to handle the null function. The third video, in this video, we are talking about whether to use greater than or equal to or less than kind of condition, right? When you decide that. And then are you going to use or condition or and condition? Right? If it's an and condition, that means both the conditions has to be satisfied. The area has to be satisfied and the population has to be satisfied. We saw there is none of the records, none of the countries which satisfies the area condition, which is more than 3 million, right? So if you have an and condition, that means both the conditions has to be true. So when you run this, you don't get any result because the area condition is not satisfied by any of these countries, but they asked to have the area or the population. So when you have or, that means there are two countries, Afghanistan, which is more than 2.5 million, sorry 25 million, and then Algeria is more than 25 million, right? So when you have or condition, you get those two records. So the intention of this video is to understand which condition to use, the greater than or equal to or condition. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.